Hey, how's it going guys? Asad here, and last time we talked about branches. Now this time what we're gonna teach you is merging branches and with the problems with comes with it, you know. So what happens is, we will check it out now. So to start that, what we need to show you that what branches we have. So branch, git branch minus a, no blank. Sorry about that. Yeah, and now you can see there's three branches: the master one, which we are in, and branch A and branch B. So how we gonna merge that? Pretty simple. Just type git merge and branch, and just the name of the branch. So git merge branch A, and now we are in. Now these two branches are now become one. This is what git merge does. And the the type of the merging is here is fast forwarding, which means these after this is somewhere around is here. Now what I'm gonna do, merge this branch too. So, and now it's auto merging and there's a conflict. So let me see what that conflict is. So this what is saying is there is two type of same kind of programs. So how are we gonna solve that? Just you need to do is go there and just choose one of them. That's all. You just select. So first it will be there, and you need to remove one of them, or you can go with both of them. I will go with both of them because think about that. You need both of them, and which can be possible too. So after that, what you need to do is come here and just type git add period, not comma. Now we're gonna comment it. So, and this is a merging, so I'm not gonna paste any type of message. And there's sorry add, sorry about that. And yeah, done. Now it's open in our text editor, which is called Vim. If you know Vim, you can easily figure it out what we need to do. Those who don't know, what you need to do is shift colon, open this one, type this, and type WQ, enter, and now all done. And now if you check git log in one line, you can see that it is the same thing, the git branch and the name. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. And in the next tutorial I will teach you how you can put a remote repository by doing this. So see you guys then.